So the question I got was, what do I use to keep track of my calories? And I use my Fitness Pal. So here is my account for my Fitness Pal, and I've already set up my meal plan for next week. So today's Friday, so Monday pops up as an option for me to start planning for in my Fitness Pal, because what I like to do is go to Quick Tools, and I like to copy from past weeks meal plans into a brand new week. So it only lets you do that for a few days. So Monday, Friday, Saturday, like 2 or 3 days in advance. So on Friday today, I'm planning for Monday of next week and all of next week, because I eat the same thing every day for a full week. It's easy for me to grocery shop that way and meal prep that way, because just don't have a lot of time to cook every single day and cook different meals every single day. It just takes up a whole lot of time, creates a whole lot of dishes, and I'm not doing all that. So, what I do is I plan everything out. So I got my coffee and my boiled eggs. That's what I usually do for breakfast, and then for lunch. Got my carrots and my peanut butter protein dip, which is just peanut butter and vanilla protein powder mixed together and a little bit of water. And it creates a protein peanut butter flavored dip. I'm going to be shopping at Aldi's this weekend for today, and then I'm going to meal prep everything tomorrow. So going to Aldi's. Their peanut butter is okay. It's got a tiny bit of sugar in it, but I'm going there and I'm willing to take a little bit of that sugar. It's only got 3 grams in there, so I'll go for it. Um, the boneless, skinless chicken breast is what I'll be using. Sometimes I get the tenders. It depends on what they have. Again, I'm going to Aldi. And I'm going to use, well, actually, I need to change this because this is going to be olive oil, but I was experimenting with soybean oil, but I'm going to change it. Actually, let's do that right now. I can show you how. Oh, it's great. A gardener is cutting grass right now. So let me close this window for you. Okay, but I guess he figured out I was recording and he wanted to make some noise. But anyway, okay, just to show you really quickly how to set this up. So my morning snack is the same as my afternoon snack, and I like to put time periods for my snacks. I did this a long time ago, and it just stays in my Fitness Pal. Same thing for dinner as lunch. It's going to be jerk chicken, green beans, and black beans. And my last snack of the day is going to be a protein bar, chocolate protein bar with some peanuts. And that's pretty much it. And my goals for the day, I'm in line with my goals for the day, which is 2,300 calories. I do watch my carbs. So my daily goal for my carbs is 137 grams. And I'm pretty much in line with that. No, my total is 137. My goal is 144. I'm in line with that. In line with my fats right here. In line with my protein. In line with my sodium. My sodium is supposed to be around 2,300, so I'm a little bit low on sodium. But once I add my seasoning for the jerk chicken, it'll be up there. Sugar, again, I'm a little bit over on the sugar, 8 grams, and that's probably due to the sugar that's in the peanut butter, the 3 grams of sugar. But um, it is what it is. It's not too bad. Just a quick note: the calories that you see here in my Fitness Pal come from the nutrition labels on the food packages themselves. But don't be much of a stickler here for the calories and the carbs at the bottom, because all nutrition labels have a range that they can be out of range by, and that's 20%. So as long as you are within that 20% range of your calories, it's fine because the nutrition labels themselves aren't exactly spot on. So don't try to hold yourself to an exact spot on T when you're doing MyFitnessPal because it's all variable, about 20% give or take, and that's kind of big, to be honest. Like for me, 2,300 calories. I mean, 20% of that? What, 400? I don't know. And they do a calculator. Yeah, 300 or 400 calories. That's a lot. I mean, that's a lot of calories to be off by. So try to get your calories. So right here, try to get those numbers very close, but they don't have to be exact. Like for the remaining right here, 141. It doesn't have to be zero. And same thing for carbs. It doesn't have to be zero. Just get it really close and just leave, brush your hands and leave it at that. All right, that's it. MyFitnessPal.